Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where I know ChatGPT was coded by white people because when you ask it for recipes, it leaves out the seasonings. Today we're going to make one of my favorite breakfasts, Chilaquiles. Now, being from Arizona and stuck in Alabama, I can't get this, so I have to make it myself. To a pan over medium heat, we're going to add 3 chili anchos that we have seeded. We're going to toast them up. Once we toast them up for a couple minutes, we're going to take them out and put them in a pan of boiling water and let them soak. Now to that same pan, we're going to add 3 Roma tomatoes, 1 white onion that we quartered, and 3 jalapeno peppers that we sliced. Now, depending on how you like your heat, you can seed them or leave the seeds in, and I left the seeds in because I prefer them on the hotter side. Now we're going to char them. Now, with everything getting charred up, we're going to add them to the blender. Just going to set the blender to the side. We're going to take 16 corn tortillas and we're going to cut them in 8s. Now set them aside. I'm going to get our oil heated up. To a pot with oil heated to 350 degrees. We're going to start frying up the tortillas and making our chips. Now you can do it the lazy way, where you just get a bag of chips from the store. But these taste so much better. We also like to do this, make our homemade salsa, sprinkle some salt on them. They taste so much better than store-bought chips. Once they start turning golden brown, we're going to scoop them out. We're going to put them on a paper towel lined. We're going to scoop them out and put them on a paper towel lined baking sheet. We're just going to continue frying them up until all the tortillas are fried up. And now with the last of our chips made, we will set them aside and get started on our sauce. Now to the blender, we're going to add in those 3 peppers that we let softened up. About a half a cup of the water. We're going to add in 2 teaspoons of salt and half a bunch of chopped cilantro. And now we blend it up. We set this blender aside. And it's time to finish the chilaquiles. To the frying pan, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of that oil we were using. And we add our sauce. And now we're going to cook this for 7 minutes. Now that the sauce is done, we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low. We're going to add in the juice of 1 lime. Mix that in. Now we're going to add in our chips. Stir them in, and we're going to cook them. We're gonna stir them in, and we're gonna soften them up. We don't want them completely soft. We want a little bit of texture still. We want them to soak up all that juice in the sauce, though. Cut off the heat, and it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. God, I love this food. God, I love chilaquiles. Best breakfast ever. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.